Hello, myself Sunil R Nair, and here basically we are talking about the thing basically that is the person's generation is supposed to go next or generation is not supposed to go next.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm speaking to Sunil R Nair.
Yes, speaking.
Yeah, I'm Tanmay calling from Business and Career. This is regarding to the job opportunity for a senior Java developer in Mumbai. Are you interested in taking up this opportunity?
No, no.
Oh, thank you.
So this is basically related to the uh, whether the person's basically next generation will go next or it will the generation will not go next. So here basically which group basically decides basically the uh, particular generation is supposed to go next or particular generation is not supposed to go. That basically decided by the set of government basically set of government set of people. Till now basically we have discussed that how basically the Bollywood industry, how the political people, all basically data was checked, and basically the blood cells basically which was generated, that was basically not able to track. Why basically he removed this blood cells basically. That basically the topic is ongoing. That is the why basically that blood group basically data was removed, and why basically that blood group data was removed. That basically is the topic basically. So that topic basically is the ongoing. In this basically the topic basically till now basically reached is uh, till now basically we reached that Sholay basically Sholay movies for that basically 1 lakh human souls has created in this basically. Then basically we discussed that how basically the software industry basically also told that basically we have not done anything, we are basically not controlling the thing, the requirement basically which the group basically are giving, that group basically are creating might be creating problem. Then basically the group told that basically it might be that some earthquake department basically might be doing some problem. Then basically how earthquake department basically will create the problem, how basically one earthquake department so he told that basically earthquake departments is also there. He told that basically yeah, earthquake department is also there basically. Then he told that basically how basically earthquake department was created. This is basically new topic. Till now basically we discussed in the banking sector also basically not created problem, in software industry not created problem. Then basically he connected to the earthquake department. Bank man basically that World Bank basically the World Bank basically, that group basically who hired the person, that particular person. Now basically they connected to the earthquake department. In earthquake department, he connected to what basically? He connected to how basically earthquake happens. That basically simple basically. The earthquake basically department says that the earthquake basically department, that's basically the simple department. That is the uh, that is basically you can say set of basically set of stable data basically you can say, and that set of stable data basically can be controlled from a mobile, one single mobile call also. And that set of data basically can be a set of data that is basically unstable data basically can be removed from the set of mobile also, basically one mobile call also. That is also possible from when you are connecting to mobile, so sorry, when you are connecting from internet to internet, that time also it's possible that stable unstable data can be removed and can be saved. That is possible then, yeah. Now basically here the question is basically who have the stable data and who basically don't have the stable data, who have the stable data and who basically have the unstable data. Unstable means 100% this earthquake will happen when this call will go. 100% the earthquake will not happen when this call will go. When basically the person is going to connect to internet, then basically 100% the stable data is going to connect. 100% basically the stable data is not going to connect. Like this basically it's connected with the earthquakes. So earthquake data basically is stable data and stable data. That also basically we have discussed lots of stable data, unstable data. The story is basically that 1500 process also basically 1500 process also basically we saw from that 500, sorry, the 5 crore people basically do say that their stable data, their data basically are basically putting near in the putting near the buildings, and basically buildings are not shaking basically. For example, in Mumbai basically there are 250 floors building basically, you know, everybody that 250 floors are basically there in building. That buildings are stable basically. One person literally told that buildings are stable basically. How? In Nepal basically earthquake happens basically, but there is no big building basically. But in Mumbai basically there is big building basically. Then also building basically the earthquake basically does not happen in Mumbai. Then he basically told that basically Mumbai are spending lots of money in the stable data. So in Mumbai, lots of big businessmen are there basically. Like Tata is there, TCS is there, Ambanis are there, Mittals are there. Like these big businessmen are there. That's why basically the data are stable basically. Then they told that basically that means in Nepal basically the big businessmen are not there basically. You want to say like that basically. In Nepal basically big kings are always also basically king rule basically is ruling the Nepal basically. The king rule are basically the bigger than the businessmen. Then basically he told correct, yeah, it's correct basically. Then he told that basically Mumbai basically when it was created, that time basically Mumbai when it was created, that time basically it was created from 30 lakh planets. From 30 lakh planets basically Mumbai land was created. After that basically Mumbai came into picture basically. Slowly basically the island got created. Slowly the lava blast happened in the Mumbai near in the basically currently it's Mumbai city. Assume that the Mumbai city does not exist and there is a sea, entire sea is there, and like this basically the satellite groups done the blast and in lava, and they passed around 30 lakh planets data, and then basically the blast happened in the sea, and then the land got created in the Mumbai city. Then the land got created in the Mumbai city. Lava blast happened in the sea, and the Mumbai land got created. Like this, that means you want to say that the 30 lakh planets basically are handling the Mumbai city. Then he told that basically this is actually supposed to be discussable topic basically. This topic basically need to discuss basically why basically the Mumbai is stable. Why the Mumbai is stable? That actually the topic is to be discussable. So let me see basically what actually the thing is. Let me discuss with the earthquake team department, and things basically get be clear. Then basically connected to the earthquake department, and the earthquake department told that basically we are actually not handling the thing. Basically, we are just getting the data. The earthquake is going to happen and not going to happen. That's all basically. The rest of thing basically the satellite groups are basically doing it. Then he told that basically satellite group means that group basically who created the land basically when Mumbai basically was created. Yeah, basically currently where basically the match is ongoing, that Mumbai city, where entire Mumbai city is stable basically. Where entire Mumbai city is stable, that Mumbai city. Acha, you are talking about that Mumbai city. Yeah, that Mumbai city. Where entire Mumbai city is stable basically. Where entire Mumbai city is stable, that Mumbai city I am talking about. Where basically the entire Mumbai city is stable and there is no earthquake basically going to happen 100%. Because there are big businessmen, basically big businessmen are staying there. So how basically the earthquake is going to happen? Then he told that basically earthquake will never happen, but if the something happens to the satellites, and suddenly basically satellite loses control and lots of things will happen, then basically then which type of thing will happen basically in the satellite basically, which type of the things basically can happen in the satellites, that entire Mumbai basically get earthquakes. Then basically he told that basically Mumbai basically never got earthquake basically, that is the record basically. Do you know that? You just check the record basically whether basically Mumbai has got any earthquake or not, whether Mumbai basically has got any earthquake or not. Then he told that basically yes, yeah, it is it's you are correct basically. The Mumbai basically never got the earthquakes basically because Mumbai has basically always stable data. Mumbai is connected with the satellites, and around 30 lakh planets basically are giving the data to the Mumbai. That also stable data basically. That also basically stable data basically they are giving. So how basically Mumbai is going to get earthquakes basically? Mumbai basically how it is going to give earthquakes? Then basically the question was basically 100% correct basically. How basically Mumbai can give the earthquakes? How basically the Mumbai can give earthquakes basically? Because there are basically how, just see basically the big Tendulkar, the big businessmen, big sports people, big banking people basically. Banking people means ICICI Bank directors, HDFC Bank's directors, then Bank of Baroda directors. These all big people are basically staying in Mumbai. Then basically, how you can say that Mumbai will get earthquakes basically? Then one person told that, but there is no value of money in the universe basically. If they feel that Mumbai is creating problem in the universe, they will 100% give the earthquake basically. But they will not never give the earthquakes unnecessary basically. If they will find that basically that Mumbai is giving problem in the universe, then only basically they will give earthquake. So basically, how satellite decide that particular city has to basically give earthquake, and this city basically is not supposed to give earthquake. That is basically the next topic. That how basically satellites say that this city basically, here basically we have taken the example of Mumbai city. How basically the satellite group of the Mumbai city which decides basically that this Mumbai city should get earthquake or the Mumbai city is not supposed to get earthquakes.